So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to convert Indian rupees to USDT. So first of all you will have to come on Binance.com and log into your account, and after that click on wallet and then click on fiat and spot. So guys, after coming on this window you will scroll down and see the BTC option. Now click on its convert option. So guys, as you can see, after coming on this window you will choose this option and now click here INR. As you can see guys, I am not able to access the Indian rupees option, but if you live in India then you can able to choose this option, and after typing INR you will choose the INR option and then choose this option and type here USDT and click here. And after that you will just have to put the amount you want to convert your INR into USDT. Let's say you want to convert your 100 INR to USDT, so you will type here 100 and then choose this preview conversion option. After clicking on it you will see how much your 100 INR are worth in your USDT, and if you have the sufficient funds then you can convert it back clicking on this button. So guys, if you find this video helpful then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.